attention please. This is an Roblox EAS public warning system requested by your local authorities. Please stand by. This will affect until further notice.
This is an official emergency broadcast from the government of Roblox. We inform you that there has been a significant radioactive spill at a factory near your location. Multiple unknown anomalies have been reported soon after the incident. Your safety is priority, and we urge you to take immediate actions. Follow these instructions to protect yourselves and your loved ones, while your government works on addressing the situation. If you are at home or work, remain indoors and seal all windows and doors. If you come across an anomaly, try to scare it off but do not interact with it. If the anomaly finds way into your house, do not fight it. Hiding is the only option. Keep your television, radio, or other communication devices on. Listen to official updates and instructions from your local authorities. Thank you for your understanding during this challenging time.
The Roblox government have issued a shelter-in-place warning for the following counties: Roblox, that anomalies have been spawned from chemical nuclear. We recommended to shelter in place. Follow these instructions to protect yourself. 1. If you see him on windows, try to scare him with turning on the lights. 2. Lock your doors. 3. If that anomalies is entering your house, do not fight it. Hide is only an option. 4. Having battery for radio. Stay tuned to radio or television to get further information. All clear. I repeat, all clear. These anomalies have been killed by Roblox Army. All civilians are safe now. Thank you for your attention for this time.